Hello, I was just going through my colored pencils. I've got a few interesting colors here. Look at them. Which one is your favorite? I've got blue, orange, purple, black, green, blue again, green again, pink, red, yellow, and brown. Do you like any of these? Or do you have another color you like? Well, let's sing the My Favorite Color song to find out. Let me put my pencils back inside my pencil case. And then we can sing our favorite color song. Okay. It goes like this. My favorite color is... This is my favorite color. Can you see? Purple! You know it. Okay. Let's start the song all over again. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. Now tell me, what is yours? Is it blue? No, not blue. Maybe? Yes? You're not sure? Okay, let me try another one. Is it yellow? No, another one. Is it black? Is it red? Is it orange? Is it purple? Is it green? Oh wait, or is it brown? Is it pink? All the colors of the rainbow. Now tell me, which one, pretty please? Tell me, are you ready? Tell me now. Your favorite color is... Oh, your favorite color is... Da, 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 da. Your favorite color is... Thank you for sharing with me. Can you tell me again, please? Your favorite color is... Your favorite color is... Yes, it is. Your favorite color is... Thank you for sharing with me. Thank you. Do you see an animal? I see one. It looks like a fox. But wait, fox doesn't start with the letter X, does it? No, it does not. It starts with the letter F, but it ends with an X. Fox. Did you hear the sound? X. Fox ends with the letter X. And we're going to color our letter X. That color. What color is that? Green. Let's color the letter X green. Are you ready? Let's do it. If you've got your flashcard, then color along with me. If not, it's okay. You can watch me color the letter X green. Later on, go over to my video where you can watch how to create all 26 letters. I've got a tutorial that will teach you how to create these very flashcards that I've been using to teach you all about the letters. Are you ready? Let's color the letter X green. Okay, let's... We're done! Our letter X is green. X is for fox. Fox ends with the letter X. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter X with me. I will see you next time for another fun coloring session. Okay, see ya!